So I went ahead and with a pencil kind of marked generally where I want petals to go. That may change, but for right now, that's my plan. So I'm going to put down a little bit of pitch black. Get that dried. Wow, I just made a big old mess. That's why I should have got my blow dryer. I do so much better. And let's see, I'll do another one. Now on this, I think I'm going to go ahead. I wasn't going to. I thought about it. I may put some crimson. And I'm going to put some espresso. I want some extra brown in there. Let's just see what it looks like. All right, I'm going to get this out from here. It's bugging me. All right. And for those that have asked, this is a butcher tray. It's a porcelain butcher tray. This is an American Journey. I love working on it because I don't have to worry about heating up my mats or getting ink on the table. It's great to work with. Okay, so let's start blowing us out some petals. And I like to make mine a little whimsical at the end. It's just fun. And I want this one tilting this way. So I'm taking the petals a little bit to where it makes it look like the flower's tilting. When you're doing these flowers, play with the colors. My goodness, they come out so incredible. Different colors play differently, and just a lot of fun. I'm worried about this one being too long, but my other one's going to come right on top of it, so I'm not going to worry too much about it. Let's see. Okay, we'll go to the next one. All right, I think I want that and tilted in, so I'm gonna come right here. Okay, I went ahead and finished out blowing the flowers. Right now I'm going to go spray it. I used the Kmart varnish. I'm going to go spray that so I can put my white Posca pen on there and then go ahead and color up the head of the flower and see how it looks from there. Be right back. Okay, this is dried and I'm going to go in here and just start putting my white dots in so I can show some highlights on the flowers. Do a few little lines like this because you know the heads of these flowers, and then in the back of my mind I think they're a cone flower, have the little spiky things on them, so occasionally here and there put one of those. Put a lot more on one side than the other. I'm going to go ahead and finish these out. Okay, I've got all the white put in. I'm going to take a dark brown and dab just here and there. See if it'll show up a little bit. We'll go through and put a little bit of the yellow. I'm also going to take the dark brown, and I'm going to do my stems, kind of follow them how they might go. All right, I think that is it for now, and we'll spray it again with the varnish and then with the UV protectant, and we're done. Y'all go have fun.